one feels big too. Alright, we are at a different spot this time. Last time I was here with John, and we got a couple brim, like just legal size brim. So that's always good. So the deal is, we actually got a headwind in the direction that I want to cast in, which is just along these mangroves. Oh, bad cast. Oh, almost got tangled up in that tree. I'm stacked. Oh, I'm stacked. God. Oh, fuck me. Of course. Of course. Oh, and we lost the leader too. That's just great. Oh. One more time. Let's fish, please. So that red fairy pylon there, that's where all the action was last time, so we'll try there again. Oh, come on. What is that? Thanks, buddy. That is the biggest whiting I have ever seen. $37cm whiting. That is a big whiting. Oh fuck, he's thick. That was awesome. Let's catch another one. Let's do it again. That one was huge. Probably my PB. Definitely my PB. Oh! Yep, come on. Oh, this one feels big too. Don't lose it. It is a fish, right? Yeah, it's a fish. For sure it's a fish. Oh! Oh, it's pouring now. That's a decent brim. Let's land this. Yes! Oh no, 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 no! No, 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 no. Alright. Yes, we did it. Yes, cunt. You! You! How's that for a brim? Alright, you stay there. I'm the grub. Oh, I'm shaking. Alright, let's get a measurement on him real quick and then send him on his way. 35, just short of 36. Alright. Alright, let's send him back. So good. So that was awesome again. Can we make it a hat trick? Hope so. Is that a fish? I reckon that time, whatever fish that was, it was just nibbling at the tail. That's sort of my main gripe about these grub lures, is that because the tail, while it puts out a lot of action, sometimes the fish just go for the tail and there's no hook there. That's sort of the reason why I've been leaning towards using the Slimswimz, because they've got a shorter tail on them, and I still like the way that they swim. Oh. Yeah. That's another fish. Oh, I lost it. Oh, I lost it. Fuck, that sucks. The grip on my rod was too slippery. Slipped. Alright. Let's put on some S factor and hopefully it wants another bite. It probably won't though. Probably spooked that fish, but What if I change plastics? Slimswimz. Alright, changing plastics. Be right back. Try the Slimswimz in Pell. I think that's what the name of the color was. But now it's a bit green because I've been storing them in the same packet as the Midnight Oil ones. Let's go. So the fish seem to be further out. Rather than up here close to the bank and the rocks, which maybe because tide's kind of low. I don't really know, to be honest. But yeah, I've just been casting as far out as I can. And that's where I've been having success. Yep. Yep. Oh, doesn't feel very big, but the way that it hit was intense. Oh, it's a... Alright, yep. It's a brim. Fuck yeah. Okay. Just make sure he doesn't rub leader up against the rocks. And... oh yeah. Alright, hooks out. Another cool little brim. I think we'll just release him from here. So that's the end of the session. Pretty fun session too. I was only out here for an hour and a half, and caught 3 fish, which is still pretty good. It was fun. Next time I'll probably come out with Chon again. Hopefully we'll catch a lot of fish in that one. Thanks for watching, and you have a nice night. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.